TT's Playroom. Hi friends, welcome to our math adventure. Today we are going to learn about addition. Addition is when we take two or more groups of things and put them together to see how many we have in total. This is the plus sign. It's going to help us add our numbers together. This is the equal sign. We use it to show what results we got. Let's start. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Well done, friends. You did a great job. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye.